Hello and welcome. This is Plain Dad and this is how to edit a TikTok video. So open up your TikTok and make sure that you already have logged on. Tap on the middle icon or the plus icon and then just do like your typical TikTok video in which wherever you want to do. Shoot it in creative way or just in entertaining way that you want. So for example, I'm just switching around for a lot of footage here. And after that, just tap on the next and you'll be prompted to the editing UI of TikTok. Just tap on the edit on the top right section and you'll be greeted by this similar to CapCut's UI. So you can just move around the clips or tap on the sound to volumize it, to delete it, or even replace the sound itself. You can also make a filter of it whenever you want, a transition just like this one, and also add a photo and video and insert it among the clips that you already have. There's a lot of options there. You can even add stickers and overlays, as well as other options such as streaming, having an overlays, even filters, as well as volumizing every other sounds that you have.